Hey everyone, Techne here. Now this is going to be a real snappy one. I just honestly wanted to get on here and just give you guys a true, honest, face-to-face thank you for 5,000. No, this is not the 5,000 subscriber celebration video with the giveaways, this, that, and the other. This is honestly me just popping on. We just hit 5,000 today. I'm going to get on here and just seriously tell you guys thank you, because I honestly and truthfully really appreciate it. I never even imagined. I know a lot of you out there, again, it's just like 5,000, like whatever, like who cares? You know, this guy over here has 1 million something, you know, but 5,000, I mean, even when I got one, it was absolutely amazing, you know what I mean? And I know some of you just get tired, like, dude, you don't need to thank us every time you hit an extra 1,000, you know, but it really means the world to me, and I just truly want to thank you. I mean, you guys are seriously the heart, and you guys drive me on this channel, so honestly, thank you so much. But yes, I know some of you are wondering, hey, when's the celebration video going to be, right? And it will be coming up here shortly. I actually have a video or two still lined up before that, and I also have some stuff coming in the mail too that's going to be part of it as well. So I got to wait for that stuff to come in. I'm not too sure when it will be in, but hopefully it'll be in soon, and I will get that one out to you. But again, this is just me sitting here, and I just honestly wanted to thank you. I noticed in our previous vote right there, a lot of us aren't huggers. We're definitely high-fivers. So, hey, did you high-five? Did you high five right there? Hey, I hope you didn't just slap your monitor. If your monitor got knocked over, hey, don't blame me. But hey, thank you so much. I highly appreciate it again. Hey, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.